Hello and welcome to this effective weather update. Tropical Storm Bret has been named by the National Hurricane Center in the central tropical Atlantic. It has winds of 40 miles an hour and a pressure of 1008 millibars, moving quite fast to the west at 21 miles an hour. This is the earliest named storm this far east in the tropical North Atlantic on record. That's 42.2 degrees west. The National Hurricane Center forecast Bret to strengthen into an 80 mile an hour hurricane, when it will then move through the Lesser Antilles somewhere near Guadeloupe. And it may make landfall, of course, as it moves through the islands. This will be one of the earliest main development region hurricanes on record if Bret becomes a hurricane as forecast. Bret should begin to weaken as it enters the Caribbean Sea, but there is a lot of uncertainty, and Bret could become quite a bit stronger than forecast, as we will see now. This is the HWRF forecast model, and as you can see, it initializes quite well with similar pressure and intensity as forecast and estimated by the National Hurricane Center. But unlike the forecast, it rapidly strengthens Bret into a major hurricane. You can see that low pressure in the 950s and those very high winds in the top right-hand corner. Now, this isn't likely at this time, and it's certainly not expected, but Bret could become quite a bit stronger than the 80 mile an hour forecast. So residents in the Lesser Antilles, especially those in or near the cone, should prepare for the possibility of Bret becoming a major hurricane, even if it's not particularly likely at this time. And indeed, that would be unprecedented this early in the hurricane season. On the other hand, some models are doing what the GFS is doing. With a similarly good initialization to the HWRF, it really struggles to make anything out of Bret. Doesn't get above 60, 65 miles an hour, then begins to weaken before it even makes it to the islands. This would be the best case scenario for the storm. However, the most likely scenario is a Category 1 hurricane impacting the islands, and hurricane watches should be anticipated in the next couple of days. Start preparing now so that you have the most amount of time to get ready for this potentially impactful storm. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. We hope you're staying safe wherever you are in the world, and we'll be back with more on this developing storm and potentially other storms behind it, would you believe, in the coming days. Once again, thank you very much, and goodbye.